Meeting up with our friends Allen and Lynette today. We're about 30 miles from Winona, where we're meeting our friends. And what's it, Route 60?
Yep.
Yeah.
Route 60.
Route 60, yeah. What was that route we were on before?
Route 66, baby.
Yeah.
We got demoted to 60 now.
Is that all? 17 minutes to Winona. 17 minutes from Winona. Only 17 minutes from Winona. We've just overshot Winona, don't know how much by, so we're driving back to a gas station. We passed a while back, so we're heading back up Route 60 to where it meets Route 19, where our friends are already waiting. Certainly some road. As I've always said, it's the perfect road to drive a midget. Any bit of tarmac. Concrete, gravel, our options. Here we are back at 1619. No, it doesn't say about Winona, does it? No, it doesn't. Winona is a mystery.
Business district.
Yeah.
So it's this way.
Ah. Shame we didn't pull off.
I don't see them yet.
No, there it is. There's a little red, proper coloured one.
Barf colored.
I got that on video. Hi there.
Hello.
Oh, hey, we changed the driver.
It's a beautiful day to be out.
Absolutely, absolutely.
We have the top down.
We stopped right across the road because we saw Winona city limit. And we saw
Right.
19, and we thought the way you talked, you were going to take 19.
Yep.
So we stopped and we texted, and then we didn't. We waited 2 or 3 minutes, didn't get a response, and we thought, well, maybe they were already hit there and gone on down. So we drove down, not realizing this was Winona.
I'm just enjoying seeing a nice red bonnet in front of me.
Yes. Yes.
I see what Lynette was meaning about this being a lovely road. I mean, this is obviously a smaller road than the 60 that we were on.
Yes.
And I thought the 60 was lovely, but this is beautiful. This is a real good midget road though, isn't it?
Oh, yes.
so nice not to be driving with a hillbilly. I'm discovering here with Alan driving that it isn't compulsory to go off the road or do U-turns in dangerous places. This is absolutely fantastic, this stretch, isn't it? Yeah, sadly we don't have hills like this in Norfolk. That is some bridge. You've even provided us with sunshine as well.
It'll take a little bit now and then.
That's a coincidence. There's another MG over there with some old chap and a very attractive lady. Lynette's been with you 5 minutes, Jim, and already you know teaching her to be cheeky. I don't know.
Wasn't it beautiful though? Like,
Yeah.
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
And we got to stop on the way back to get that river. The picture, if we don't get it up here.
oh yeah.
Jim, I'm not saying a lot, but all I'm saying is I'd like to swap drivers.
You like what?
Sorry, don't matter. So you'll hear it on the video. Yeah, we just.
Don't laugh at Jenkins' wet butt.
Well, I was thinking about pushing him in, but our guides, as ever, have done a fantastic job bringing us to the most beautiful area. Almost everything is beautiful around here.
I don't believe so. On the other side, the ramp going up, but I didn't. Now look. Split around those curves and going every bit of it.
I can see it. It was good. And I got it on video.
Did you?
Yeah.
This set of curves really wants me to pivot. Does he still have the Zenith Stromberg? Yeah, rally.
Want to stand up and try another one?
You know what?
Yeah.
I'm getting old again a bit.
I want to get you catching.
Honestly, I don't think I've ever seen him miss.
Oh yeah.
You get some that's really talented and only Yeah, put it behind the
Well,
back.
he's there.
Thank you.